Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best OnPay plan for contractors. When I first started hiring contractors, payroll felt complicated. I had heard good things about OnPay, but what I quickly realized is that they simplify things a lot because they only have one main pricing plan. This makes choosing a best plan for contractors really straightforward. There's no need to compare 3 different tiers to figure out which one includes Form 1099 filing. The plan is a single all-inclusive subscription that covers both W-2 employees and 1099 contractors. It has a base monthly fee plus a small fee per person. The fantastic thing for contractors is that they are included in that per person cost, and the service handles all the year-end tax work for you. Specifically, it automatically generates and files the necessary 1,099 NEC forms for your contractors, provided you've paid them over the $600 threshold. This alone is a huge time saver and stress reducer. From my own experience, I love that I can run payroll for all my workers, employees, and contractors in the same pay run. The system handles the difference. It calculates and withholds employee taxes, but for contractors, it just processes a payment and make sure all the data is logged correctly for their 1,099 NEC. My contractors also get a self-service portal, which is great because they can onboard themselves and access their own pay stubs and tax documents anytime. So, the best OnPay plan for contractors isn't a separate plan. It's OnPay's one simple, all-inclusive plan. It gives you unlimited pay runs, handles the critical 1099 filing, and provides great self-service tools for contractors themselves. It's truly built for small businesses that need to manage a mix of W-2 and 1099 workers without the hassle of multiple software systems or complex pricing tiers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.